today? Hello everyone, hello everyone, hello everyone, and how are you today? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 7 days a week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 7 days a week. And today is Wonderful Wednesday, Wicked Wednesday. I'm trying to think of another word. Wacky Wednesday. And today we're going to be singing Wind the Bobbin Up. We made some fabulous multicoloured bobbins with some ribbon around them, and I'd love to see what you can make. Maybe you can send me some pictures, let me know how yours come along. Just cut out a simple shape, maybe ask your parents for some help, and then decorate them. Okay, let's get singing. A one, a two, a 1, 2, 3. Wind the bobbin up, wind the bobbin up, pull, pull, clap, clap, clap. Wind it back again, pull, pull, clap, clap, clap. Point to the ceiling, point to the floor, point to the window, point to the door. Clap your hands together, 1, 2, 3, and put your hands upon your knees. Shh, guys, I can hear a dinosaur. There's a dinosaur, look, look, run, run, run. There's another one, look, look, run, run, run. There's one on the ceiling, there's one on the floor, there's one at the window, there's one at the door. Clap your hands together, 1, 2, 3, and tell that dinosaur you can't catch me. No, 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 no. Thanks for watching, guys. Let me know how your bobbins go. See how many multicolours you can put on and how many different pretty coloured bows and ribbons you can put on. Okay, bye guys.